Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something a little different, something that could change the way you cut your hair forever. We're talking about the Flowbee Haircutting System. Yes, you heard that right. This is the self-haircut trimmer designed to give you salon-quality haircuts at home. In this review, we'll explore how well it works, what it offers, and whether it's really worth the hype. Let's get into it. The Flowbee Haircutting System is marketed as an easy-to-use tool that helps you achieve professional-looking haircuts from the comfort of your own home. It's a versatile, vacuum-powered haircutting device that promises to cut your hair quickly and mess-free. The system is compatible with most vacuums, though you can also opt for the Flowbee Super Mini Vac, which is sold separately, to complete the setup. It comes with a variety of attachments, allowing you to customize your cut by adjusting the length of your hair. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, the Flowbee claims to make self-haircuts a breeze. Now let's talk about my real-world experience using the Flowbee. Initially, I was a bit skeptical about how a vacuum-powered trimmer could really work as advertised, but after trying it out, I can say it was surprisingly easy to use. The most notable feature is the mess-free design. As you cut, the Flowbee pulls the hair into the vacuum, meaning there's no hair left scattered on your neck, clothes, or the floor. For anyone who's ever dealt with the cleanup after a haircut, this is a huge win. In terms of actual performance, it took me a little while to get the hang of it. The attachments are pretty straightforward, but I did need a few tries to figure out the right length for my hair. Once I did, it gave me an even cut, definitely close to what I'd expect from a professional stylist. The vacuum function worked well, and the suction felt strong enough to keep the hair from flying around. One thing to keep in mind is that the tool doesn't have as much precision as a regular clipper, so you might want to use it for simple straight cuts rather than detailed trims or styles. Now let's break it down with some pros and cons. Pros. Mess-free. As advertised, it really does prevent a mess, which is a massive plus for anyone who hates dealing with hair clippings. Beginner-friendly, you don't need to be a haircutting expert to get a decent result. The Flowbee is easy to use, even for a first-time self-cutter. Quick and efficient. It cuts hair quickly and with minimal effort, making it a good option if you're short on time. Affordable. Considering the cost of regular trips to the salon, this system could save you a lot of money in the long run. Cons? Limited precision. While it's great for basic cuts, it may not give you the precision needed for detailed styles or fades. Vacuum compatibility. You'll need a compatible vacuum, which could be an issue if your vacuum doesn't work well with the system or if you don't want to invest in the separate Flowbee Super Mini Vac. Not ideal for complex cuts. If you like to change up your hairstyle frequently or need a more intricate haircut, this might not be the best option. So is the Flowbee Haircutting System good value for money? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you need a simple, no-fuss haircut at home and want to avoid the mess and hassle, the Flowbee is definitely a solid choice. However, if you're someone who likes detailed, intricate cuts or wants more control over the process, you might want to consider other tools. When comparing it to other self-haircut systems, the Flowbee stands out for its vacuum feature, which makes it unique. Some other systems might offer precision or more advanced settings, but they don't tackle the mess quite as well as this one does. If you're in the market for something that just gets the job done without making a mess, the Flowbee is an excellent option. Now, about the build quality. The system itself feels sturdy, and the materials used are definitely durable. The plastic feels solid, and the attachments are well made. As for longevity, I'd say it's a tool that can last for years if you take care of it properly, especially since it's not something that's constantly exposed to wear and tear. Customer support is an area where I didn't have any direct interaction, but the brand is known for its reliability. There are clear instructions on how to use the product, and the Flowbee system is generally well received online. If any issues arise, I would expect the company to be responsive based on its reputation. If you're not sold on the Flowbee, there are alternatives like the Rington HC4250 Shortcut Pro or Wall's Self-Cut System. both of which are great for at-home haircuts and may offer more control or versatility. However, neither of these features the vacuum suction that makes the Flowbee so unique. So, it really depends on whether or not that feature is a priority for you. To wrap it up, the Flowbee Haircutting System delivers on its promises. It's an easy-to-use, mess-free device that's perfect for quick and simple haircuts at home. If you're looking for precision or something for a more complex haircut, this might not be for you. But if you just want a basic trim without the hassle of hair all over your floor, this is a fantastic option. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best insights in beauty. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Flowbee, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.